the properties of fluid.
Imagine you're on a small adventure through the world of water and air. As you walk beside rivers, touch raindrops, and feel the wind, you discover that every fluid has 5 important traits that guide how it moves and behaves. Hello everyone, so today, along this journey, you will learn about these 5 properties of fluid. The 5 clues that help us or you understand why are there some fluids flow fast, some are heavy, and some can be even squeezed. So, have you ever wondered what are these 5 properties of fluid?
Fluids have 5 important properties: the density, viscosity, pressure, surface tension, and compressibility. It explains us how they flow, push, stretch, and reach in everyday life.
The 5 properties of fluid. Density. Density is how packed the particles of a fluid are. A fluid with high density is heavier for its size, while a fluid with low density is lighter. Have you ever seen oil float on top of water? When you pour oil into water, the oil stays on top instead of sinking. This happens because oil is less dense than water, so it stays above the higher liquid. Viscosity. Viscosity is how thick or sticky a fluid is and how much it resists flowing. A fluid with high viscosity flows slowly, while one with low viscosity flows easily. I have a question. Have you ever noticed how slowly honey pours compared to water? When you try to pour honey, it moves much slower and sticks more than water. This happens because honey has high viscosity, meaning it's thicker and resists flowing more than water. Pressure. Pressure is the force applied by the fluid on a surface. The deeper or more fluid above, the stronger the push becomes. Have you ever wondered why your ears feel tight when you go deeper underwater? For example, when you dive deeper underwater, you feel more pressure on your ears. This happens because the deeper you go, the more water is above you, creating a stronger push. Surface tension. Surface tension is the tightness on the surface of a liquid caused by the water molecules pulling together. It makes the surface act like thin, stretchy skin. Have you ever seen a small insect standing or walking on top of water without sinking? For example, a water strider can walk on the surface of a pond because the water surface is strong enough to hold its light body. This happens because surface tension creates a supportive skin on the water, allowing light objects like the strider to stay on top without sinking. Compressibility. Compressibility is the ability of a fluid to be squeezed or pressed into a smaller space. Gases are easy to compress, while liquids are much harder to squeeze. Have you ever pressed down on a pump and feel the air inside get tighter? When you push the handle of a bike pump, the air inside gets squeezed into a smaller space. This happens because air can be compressed, meaning it can be packed closer together when you apply pressure.